Yeah, Blizzard and Volcano.
Said it at the wrong time.
Winich! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Why the heck do you keep doing wisdom form? That sucks.
So I could get some experience for it, in case they summon those little things. They're easy to destroy.
Yeah, but Valor form would be better.
So what? I don't need a level up Valor form, really.
You don't like to jump higher?
I can't level it up to the second level of jumping yet, so why should I do that?
Oh,
exactly.
You leveled it to full?
No, I leveled it to level 3.
Oh my god. So.
You get level 2 high jump later. After I get Master Form, I could get it to the next level. Yeah.
Mine's on like level 6.
That's because you suck and always use Valor Form instead of Master Form.
Well, the only way to do Master Form, like upgrade it, is to like get those experience balls.
Oh yeah! I win!
This one was so stupid.
No, was it? I owned you.